friends, I hope all you are safe and healthy. Today I will show you how to make mass detection using CNN convolution neural network. In my previous videos, I make the project on object detection, emotion detection using CNN. Now we will see the mass detection using CNN. First of all, load all the libraries for the project. I explain all the libraries in my previous video object detection. Go through the video. I shared the link in the description. Load the dataset. Here you see the path of dataset. There are two datasets. First of mass and second of people having no mass. Here you see the label. Total number of images, resolution 48 cross 48. Third, applying machine learning to the model. Here you see this is the first layer, this is second layer of convolution, this is third, this is fourth layer. Last layer is of dense layer. I explain all in my previous video of object detection, and after that plot the graph between both the losses and both the accuracy. Both the losses means binary loss, validation loss. Accuracy means binary accuracy, validation accuracy. Plot the confusion matrix. From confusion matrix we see the prediction of the model, and after that save the model, import the save model and predict images. Read image from dataset and predict this image whether it belongs to mask or no mask class. Finally, import the save model and apply in real time. And let run from starting. Plot the graph between both the losses and both the accuracy. Here you see the graph. Here you see the accuracy is above 90% and loss is below 0.1%. Plot confusion matrix. Here you see accuracy 97%. Here you see the maximum image it predict right. Some 5% of class 0 and 5% of class 1 it predict wrong, but maximum it predict right. Total the model is very good. And after that save the model, so we don't need to train again. That's why we save the model. And after save the model, import the save model and predict the image. Here you see I give the image, that image, see whether it predict right or wrong. Here you see it predict right. This belong to mask. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding to this project, comment below, and after that I answer your comment. And stay safe.